The science of wine tasting is complex. In addition to taste, a wine's smell, body and astringency all count.
Astringency, it's that tactile sensation that we feel on our mouth when we drink wine. So polyphenols that are present in wine, they interact with our salivary proteins, and they can lead to complex formation. And that interaction, it's translated into that dryness feeling and that constriction feeling that or sensation that we have on the mouth.
Joanna Garello from Aarhus University's iNanocentre has helped develop what she calls the perfect scientific testing method. It's a nanosensor consisting of a small gold plate coated with nanoscale particles. Proteins from human saliva are added before being exposed to wine. The gold particles act as nanolenses, says iNanocentre Associate Professor Duncan Sutherland.
We're using the colour of these gold nanoparticles as a way of reading out this, the sensor signal. Its size and its shape actually changes the colour, and also the surroundings. So by having protein there and having these small molecules from wine, we can actually see the colour change using a spectrometer.
It's the first sensor that measures not just the amount of polyphenols in a wine, but the effects of those molecules entering a drinker's mouth. Astringency testing is currently performed by professional tasting panels after production. At London's Bottle Apostle, British wine author Graham Chesters says the nanosensor has great potential for wine producers.
The science of winemaking is actually surprisingly complicated, and its study is an ongoing process, both in the vineyard and the winery. And this development's certainly a component of that, and I can see there being a use for an automated method of measuring early in the production process the amount of phenolic astringency in wine, and then the winemaker can adjust it up or down accordingly, perhaps according to current commercial tastes.
Garello says the sensor could also help produce better and more targeted medicine. The iNano team want funding to make a commercial sensor to test wine, fruit juice and beer. Cost-conscious wine producers may well raise a glass when it's finished.